So next one, we're going to make our main course, mushroom risotto. So which we have sausage, just two, truffle sauce.
Oh, really nice.
And the mushroom, 1 garlic,
Parmesan cheese,
salt,
50 grams,
50 grams.
extra virgin olive oil.
Yeah.
Okay, and some parsley on top.
Black.
Black pepper, of course.
The most important thing is this one. I think this is for chicken soup. We're gonna put the rice in the soup. So this actually for 浓汤宝. You can find everywhere in supermarket.
Okay.
Very important.
So, in the meantime, we prepare our ingredients. We're gonna make the chicken soup, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start to cut our ingredients.
Yep.
So, take care when you cut and when you use the knife. You always need to put your hands like this, in the way you won't cut your hands or your fingers, because they are not tasty like the mushroom, right?
Yeah, of course.
She's really good at cutting, huh?
Yeah, true.
Cut 1, 2.
I love to put as much as mushroom I can because
wanna
it's
try
more
it?
tasty. Yeah, sure.
Please. But you like this, right?
I like cutting everything. I love cutting things.
Yes, I mean,
Just like-
say something like this.
I know,
It's a little bit dangerous.
I did it on purpose, so
Okay. Okay.
don't piss me off, huh? To cut the parsley. This is for make it on top. Then we put 2 spoons of truffle sauce. And we mix.
Cheers, Jen.
Cheers. And, let's eat now. First, let's eat the starters.
Here we are.
Thank you. This is amazing. Smells so good, guys. You'll really love it.
Enjoy.
Oh my god. This is amazing. See?
If you really want to conquest the heart of a girl, cook something really delicious and light for her. And let her drink a lot of wine, okay guys? And here we have our romantic tiramisu. If also this tiramisu doesn't work with your beloved, it's gonna be a problem tonight, guys.
Whoa, with the heart
Here we
on
are.
it.
Of course.
This is the heart I made.
Like because we should keep more in the refrigerator.
You can actually, alright. Oh yeah, that's why it's melt. But it's okay. The tiramisu
7
is
years
amazing.
single.
So guys, this is all for today. Hope you enjoy our video. We're really happy to make it. So in the next episode, we're going to make amazing brunch for friends. So see you next week.
Bye bye. Here we are, our main course, which is
Russo, mushroom.
What?
No, russo. Risotto.
risotto.
Okay.
Yeah, with-
They can cut it. It's okay.
Yeah.
So it's okay. So
Don't cut. Bye.
no. So the most important. The most
Would you be impressed by a dinner like this?
like you mean if someone cook for me this like
Yes.
yeah, of course. Like even.
We
Should
decided to make it.
Should I talk? Even you. Hello guys, welcome to JENNY&G. So today we're going to show you how to make a romantic dinner for your loving ones.
Something aphrodisiac. Right.
What's this, yeah?
Aphrodisiac.